Lily Talks English. Hi, friends. My name is Lily. Let's learn fruits together. Are you ready? Let's go. Apple. Can you say it? Apple. Apple. Say it with me. Apple. Yay! Banana. Banana. Can you say it? Say it with me. Banana. Banana. Amazing. Banana is so yummy. I love banana. It's my favorite. Pear. Can you say it? Pear. Say it with me. Pear, pear. Great job. Orange. Orange. Can you say it? Say it with me. Orange. Orange. Wonderful. Yummy. I love orange. Do you love orange too? Pineapple. Pineapple. Can you say it? Say it with me. Pineapple. Pineapple. Super. Oh, kiwi. Kiwi. Can you say it? Say it with me. Kiwi. Kiwi. Brilliant. Lemon. Lemon. Can you say it? Say it with me. Lemon. Lemon. Excellent. Ew, lemon. Lemon is so sour. I don't like lemon. Do you like lemon? Strawberry. Strawberry. Can you say it? Say it with me. Strawberry. Strawberry. You're amazing. Grapes. Can you say it? Grapes. Say it with me. Grapes. Grapes. Fantastic. Great job. You know all the fruits now. See you next time. Bye-bye.